Okay, let's dive right into this. We're going to talk about this secret power hiding in one of the most basic, everyday words in the entire English language. Seriously, it's a word you've probably never even thought about twice. But it turns out, that's a huge mistake. Right, it's a fair question. I mean, with hundreds of thousands of words to choose from, why on earth are we zooming in on just one? Especially one that's so, well, common. The thing is, its commonness is exactly what makes it so fascinating. The word we're talking about is toe. Yep, that's it. Toe. You're probably thinking, what could possibly be interesting about a toe? It seems almost laughably simple, right? But just stick with me here, because that simplicity, that's the whole point. So the key to this whole mystery, the reason we're talking about this, is all thanks to one single, crucial little detail we found in our source material. Think of it like a footnote that completely changes the story. And boom, there it is. This is the big reveal. Our source, Wiktionary, points out that toe is on the Basic English 850 list. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means toe isn't just another word. It's basically a VIP. It's part of a very exclusive club. But what kind of club is it? That number, 850, that's the magic number. It stands for a super carefully chosen core vocabulary called Basic English. This is a list of just 850 words that are considered so powerful, so fundamental, that you can pretty much explain almost any complex idea using only them. And our little word toe made the cut. So what's the secret sauce? What makes a word like toe the perfect candidate for a list like this? I mean, why toe and not something else? To figure that out, we've got to look at what our source says about its anatomy. First off, just look at that definition. It's so clear, so concrete, you can picture it instantly. And notice how it explains itself using another simple word, finger. There's no confusion, no ambiguity. It's a perfect little building block of language that anyone can understand without needing a dictionary. And check out how it's used in a sentence. This example is something we can all relate to. I mean, who hasn't had that feeling of a shoe being too tight? It's a universal human experience. It puts the word into a real-world, everyday context that just clicks. Now, this is really cool. Toe isn't just a word floating out there by itself. It's part of a system. You can see it right there, neatly tucked under extremities, along with other core body parts. This makes it so efficient to learn. When you learn toe, you're not just learning one word. You're actually building a mental map of the human body. And finally, let's talk about how it sounds. Whether you're in London or Los Angeles, the pronunciation is almost identical. And it's dead simple, just one clean syllable. That kind of consistency is absolutely crucial for a core vocabulary, making sure communication stays clear no matter who you're talking to. So if we pull the camera back from just the word toe, we can start to see this bigger, more powerful idea behind the whole Basic English list. It's a huge lesson in just how powerful simplicity can be. So here's the takeaway. A truly fundamental, a truly basic word has these four qualities. It's got a clear definition, it's used in a way we can all relate to, it fits neatly into a larger system, and it's super easy to say and understand. Toe just nails every single one of these. And that brings us to one last really big question for you to think about. The idea of Basic English shows that you can describe an entire universe of ideas with just 850 building blocks. So it makes you wonder, what are the truly essential words for your world? If you had to boil it all down, what are the words you couldn't live without?